Good morning, my dear students. This is Neeraj Kumar, your English teacher. Today I am here to explain you poem 8 from class 5th. That is Nobody's Friend. I hope you will be listening to me very carefully. So here I start. My dear students, at the very starting, I would like to give you the meaning of the title. At first, what is the meaning of nobody? Nobody means कोई नहीं. फ्रेंड दोस्त, दैट मीन्स कि कोई है जिसका कोई दोस्त नहीं है. देर इज समवन हु हैजंट गॉट एनी फ्रेंड, राइट? कि कोई है जिसका कोई दोस्त नहीं है. दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ द टाइटल. डू यू लाइक मेकिंग फ्रेंड्स? क्या तुम्हें दोस्त बनाना अच्छा लगता है? डू यू लाइक टू शेयर योर फीलिंग्स विद अदर्स? क्या तुम्हें अपनी बातों को शेयर करना दूसरों के साथ अच्छा लगता है? डू यू थिंक, क्या आप सोचते हैं, देर इज़ एनी चाइल्ड, कि क्या कोई बच्चा हो सकता है हु हैज़ नो फ्रेंड्स, जिसका कोई साथी ना हो, कोई दोस्त ना हो? रीड ऑन, इसे पढ़ते हैं. रीड एंड एन्जॉय. सो एट द वेरी स्टार्टिंग यू प्लीज जस्ट हैव अ लुक at the picture. In this picture, a little girl has been shown here, and like some things lying around herself. Like she has got a doll in her hand, right? A box of sweets, and just near her a bowl is there, book, tricycle is there. So these are the things. Now let us understand the poem. She had some sweets that she would not share. So as a little girl has been shown here having a box of sweets in her hand, and the box contains sweets. तो उस लड़की के पास कुछ मिठाइयाँ हैं जिसे वो किसी के साथ शेयर नहीं करती. राइट, शी हैड सम स्वीट्स, उसके पास कुछ मिठाइयाँ थी दैट शी डिडंट यूज टू शेयर विद एनीवन. उसने वो मिठाइयाँ किसी को नहीं दी. शी हैड अ बुक दैट शी वुड नॉट लैंड. अपार्ट फ्रॉम स्वीट्स शी हैड अ बुक एज वेल. उसके पास एक बुक भी है दैट शी डिडंट यूज टू लैंड. मतलब कहने व्हाट आई मीन टू से कि वो किसी को उस बुक को नहीं देती. when somebody is in need, when somebody makes a request to give him to give her, so she never seemed interested in lending book. She never felt like giving her book to anyone. Continue. She would not let anyone play with her doll. My dear students, as you can see in the picture, she has got a doll. उसके पास एक doll है. She never seemed interested in giving her doll to anyone when somebody wants to play with it, when somebody feels like playing with this doll. So she never looked interested in giving her doll to anyone. She did not allow anyone to play with her doll. She is nobody's friend. वो किसी की दोस्त नहीं है, वो किसी को अपना दोस्त नहीं मानती. Let's continue. Now here comes second picture. A little boy has been shown here having a tricycle, a toffee in his hand, and a box is connected with the tricycle containing a water bottle in it. And let us know about this boy, this little boy. He had some toffee, कि उसके पास कुछ टॉफ़ी थी. and ate every bit. He too, he too, he too seemed not interested in giving, in sharing his toffee to anyone. उसके पास जो टॉफ़ी थी वो टॉफ़ी को उसने पूरी को खा लिया एंड यू नो डिड नॉट शेयर इट विद एनी वन, किसी के साथ शेयर नहीं किया. ही हैड अ ट्राई साइकिल, उसके पास एक ट्राई साइकिल भी थी. ही वुड नॉट लैंड मीन्स वो कभी किसी को इस ट्राई साइकिल को कभी किसी को नहीं देता था. नेवर लेंट इट टू एनी वन. He never let anyone play with his train. He has got a toy train and never allowed anyone to play with it. Never seemed interested in giving his toy train to anyone. He is nobody's friend. ये जो लड़का है, दिस इज़ द बॉय डज नॉट सीम दैट हैविंग अ फ्रेंड. ये भी ऐसा नज़र आता है कि इसका कोई दोस्त नहीं है. एक्चुअली ही हैज़न्ट गॉट एनी फ्रेंड, उसका कोई दोस्त नहीं है. नो फ्रेंड इज़ देयर. बट आई विल शेयर. Now come to the next stanza. But I will share all of my sweets with you. My dear students, there is a picture. You can see this picture. A very little and happy girl is shown here in this picture. Right? Having apples, box, doll and many other things. So what does she say to us? वो हमसे क्या कहती है? I will share, कि वो शेयर करेगी all of her sweets with everyone. कि उसके पास जितनी भी स्वीट्स हैं she will definitely share with everyone. वो सभी के सभी स्वीट्स सबके साथ शेयर करेगी. My bowl and my books and my games I will lend. Means the bowl that she had, the books that she had, the games that she had, she will certainly lend to anyone. Means she seems interested. She is very much delighted to share, to lend her book, her bowl, her games. Here is half my apple and half my cake. I'm your friend. She has got cake, she has got apples. She has eaten half of that. She has eaten half cake, she has eaten half of the apples, and half of that is just left, is remaining. And she is saying that she likes to share this. She wants to give it to her friends. So my dear students, here this poem ends. I hope you must have understood. Now let's continue. Here comes a new poem. That is poem number 9, Sing a Song of the People. So my dear students, here I would like to tell you the meaning of the title of the poem. That is Sing a Song of the People. Here you people are not supposed to go by the words. यहाँ पर आप इसकी ट्रांसलेशन ना करें. Sing a Song of the People. Look at the picture first. Analyze that. Examine that. What is actually happening on the road. यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है? Means like people seem reaching somewhere in hurry. They seem going somewhere fast. They are actually in fast. So the entire poem is all about haste. पूरी poem haste के बारे में है. HASTE, haste, जल्दी. Sing a song of the people का मतलब people People on the road seem busy, seem engaged, seem going somewhere like in very haste, right? So here I continue. Everybody seems to be in such a hurry. हर कोई नज़र आता है जल्दी में. These days, इन दिनों. I wonder why. Poet कहता, poet says that I am surprised, I am amazed. Why does it happen? कि ऐसा क्यों है? Why is it so? ऐसा क्यों है? Sing a song of the people. लोगों को देखो. Look at the people on the road. Walking fast or slow. या तो वो बहुत तेज़ है, मीन्स लाइक either the people are reaching somewhere very fast or seem going somewhere very slow, या फिर धीरे चल रहे हैं. People in the city, कि जो शहर के लोग होते हैं, up and down they go, means they just keep walking here and there, means they just go in all the directions of the city. They seem busy, they seem engaged, and they seem reaching their work in haste. People on the sidewalk, people on the bus, people passing in back and front of us. Poet says that means you can find people all around in all the directions. You can see people in the buses. You can find people on the sidewalk. Means you can see people passing from here and there. Means they just keep going from one place to another. Sometimes they just seem coming towards us. Sometimes the people seem going from us. People on the subway underneath the ground. People riding taxis round and round and round. Poet says that means you can find people on the subway as well. Subway means beta, it means, I'm just telling you, please wait. Subway means underground passage for people to cross. Now let's continue. You can find people on the subway. You can find people riding the taxis, and they just means they keep moving their taxis round and round and round. People with their hats on, going in the doors. People with umbrellas when it rains and pours. जब बारिश होती है, you would have seen people using umbrella, right, as they try to escape from raining when it pours upon them. Means they seem reaching inside the door. I mean, going into houses. Sometimes they seem coming out from the houses. People in tall buildings and in stores below, riding elevators up and down they go. Poet says that most probably you can see people in huge buildings. You can find people in stores. You can find people going through the lift, and they most probably use the lift. You can find people going up and down into the lift. I mean, with the help of lift. People walking singly, people in a crowd, people saying nothing, people talking aloud. Means in all the directions you can find people. Sometimes they are talking, sometimes they are standing quiet, sitting quiet, and sometimes you can find them in crowd, right? Sometimes you can find them means walking alone, walking solitary. People laughing, smiling. Sometimes you can find them laughing, sometimes you can find them smiling. Grumpy people too. ग्रम्पी का मतलब होता है बेटा मीन्स इल टेम्पर्ड, मीन्स पीपल हु गेट अनॉयड वेरी सून बिकॉज ऑफ समथिंग। पीपल हु जस्ट हरी, कुछ ऐसे लोग हैं जो बहुत जल्दी करते हैं। एंड नेवर लुक एट यू, और कभी तुम्हें पीछे मुड़कर नहीं देखते हैं। सिंग अ सॉन्ग ऑफ द पीपल, लोगों को देखो समझो। हु लाइक टू कम एंड गो, जिन्हें आना अच्छा लगता है, जाना अच्छा लगता है। सिंग ऑफ द सिटी पीपल मीन्स look at the work, look at the haste created by the people of the city. You see but never know, तुम उन्हें देख सकते हो but never know that why the people are in hurry, what is the reason behind that. So my dear students, I hope you must have understood. Thank you very much.